So now I'm going to share my screen. So this is the exercise that we are going to do for today. So the question here, a company consists of department. So when you read the questions for class diagram questions, you have to define how many components involved before you start sketching. So a company consists of departments. Departments are located in one or more office. So that means now you have one of the component here is the department. And then one office as a headquarter. So headquarter also one of the component for the class diagram. And then each department has a manager who is recruited from a set of employees. So there will be employees. Your task is to model the system for the company. So you define, okay, how many components involved before you start sketching the class diagram. So the total, I'm gonna tell you now, the total component, the total number of class for this exercise is 5. So I already highlighted 3 for you. So you gotta find another 2. So your task is
Okay.
you have to draw a class diagram which consists of all the classes in your system, their attributes and operation, relationship between the class. Please mute your microphone.
Sorry.
It's okay. The multiplicity specifications and other model elements that you find appropriate. So the attributes, okay, we have learned in lecture chapter 4, the attributes and the operation. In which boxes should you include your attributes and which box you should include your operation. And then the relationship. Okay, how you present the relationship is by showing, is it you are going to use the solid black diamond or the white black diamond? The white diamond or the solid black diamond. And then for the multiplicity, okay, multiplicity specification, as I mentioned in the lecture, there is one to many multiplicity or one to exact number or zero to exact number multiplicity. If you don't understand, you can go back to the lecture that I uploaded during the weekend and then you will have the idea. And other model elements that you find appropriate. So I have mentioned here 3 components. Find another 2 components because the total component for this exercise is going to be 5. The total component is 5. So when you start sketching, you have to know the connection, okay? The connection. Start a new whiteboard. Can I start a new whiteboard? No, it doesn't work. Okay, it's okay. So you can sketch on a piece of paper. Just use pen, or you can use Microsoft Word by just inserting shape here. Just simple, just write, just sketch how many components and then show the relationship between each component. Okay, so you have any questions, I will be here. You can ask me. The lab I already uploaded on Kalam in the lab material section. If you go to Kalam, it's right here in the lab material. Lab material, lab number 4, class diagram exercise. And then you submit using the link that I share here. Let me share again. Okay, so I've shared the link. So you fill out your attendance and submit your file there. Okay, if you're going to sketch on a piece of paper and just sketch it using pen, so you can just take a picture and upload it. Or if you going to use Microsoft Word or any other tools that you're comfortable with, you just upload your documents. Okay, so if you have any questions, I will be here. So you can start with your exercise now.